What? The Kawasaki inside? It must be the new house. It is. So this basically is the new Pinnacle Moto den. It's Pin's workshop. We need to convert this garage at some point, but first we need to get rid of all of this stuff that we have loaded in here from the new house move. We are no longer in Essex. We are no longer on the border of East London. We are now in Kent. So there's going to be some more commuting videos coming up. Maybe there'll be some boys hanging out on the sofa, watching some movies, drinking some of the old Corona, if there's no riding to be done, that is. If there's some riding to be done, then we won't be drinking any beer at all. But this is the new Pinnacle Moto Man Cave. Let's call it the Moto Cave. This is where I'm going to be working for my normal job. Plus I'll be editing videos here, doing some reviews, etc. So you may see this couch quite a lot going forward in future. But I do need at some point to do this garage up. This is a 8 meter by 3 meter garage. I've already bought my, somewhere down here, these are my lights, these are my hex lights for the ceiling. So I've already got those. I will be putting the tiles down on the floor. And also some cabinets around. It's gonna be a motorbike workshop basically, with all of this stuff is gone. Once we've built the other shed, we can move this stuff up, and I've boarded the loft. A lot of this stuff will be out of here. We'll still keep the fridges, that's going. If anyone wants a washing machine, good price, let me know. But yeah, apart from that, this is what I've been up to. This is why I've been so quiet for a few months, because it's been very hard for me to make videos over the last 2 months because there's been so much going on with the move. We moved in here on the start of December, so it's almost a month we've been here now. But I haven't been going to work because it's the festive season, and I've been going by train because there's some drinking going on, some Christmas parties, etc. So yeah, there's a lot been going on, but there's a lot coming up on the channel. It will be a little bit delayed now, but I think the first commuting video is going to be in 2 weeks time. But I will do a review of the DJI Insta, or not the Insta, the DJI 360 camera. I'll be doing that, and then we can get on the road, do a couple of test runs with that, hopefully this weekend. And then we can start producing some more videos. So if anyone out there is watching the video that has some products they want me to review, or even interested in helping me out with the garage at a good price, or not physical labor, but I'm talking about products, then I am always open to sponsorships or anything like that. I'm going to always be honest with the reviews that I do, so I'm not going to sort of like big you up if I don't think your product's any good. But yeah, if you're interested, I will be very interested in collaborating with people in terms of deals. If you want me to use your product and I get something from it, that'll be great as well. So until then, we will see you a little bit later on.